Hi, and thanks for your interest in GrainGenes. One of the most frequent questions asked by our users is how to save information from the genome browsers. In this tutorial, we will describe how to save the following: the sequence of an individual gene from the gene model, positional information about gene components, flanking sequence around your gene and detecting that the requested region is too large to save, and ancillary data aligned to your gene of interest. First, a quick demonstration on navigating to your gene of interest. In this example, we are using a gene from the recently published Tritex assembly of Morex barley. From the browser page, select the appropriate browser for your gene. Then paste the gene name in the navigation bar in the place that, by default, shows the position of the browser. You can determine the chromosome from the marker name if necessary, but the browser should automatically find your marker. The remaining examples will be on the Genome browser for the IWGSC Chinese Spring RefSeq for wheat. In the first example, to save a sequence of an individual gene, click the gene model, then click the FASTA button on the sequence text box. In the next example, we will save positional information about gene components. With the gene model centered in the browser, click the menu arrow on the title bar of the annotation version. Click Save Track Data. Keep the visible region and GFF format, and click View for a preview. Then click Save to save this as a text file. Notice there's a toggle for the menu bar if you want more space in the browser pane. To save sequence around your gene, use the navigation buttons on the top menu to increase the genomic area. Then click the Highlight tab on the right side of the menu bar. Highlight your area of interest within the body of the browser. Then click on the pseudomolecules menu bar for the option to save the sequence in the highlighted area. Be aware that there is an upper limit on the amount of sequence that can be saved from the browsers. The default is 500 KB. Notice that if the highlighted area is too large, the Save Track Data option on the drop-down menu on the pseudomolecule track will not be available. Many of the browsers have ancillary data contributed by supporting projects. These are available by clicking on the tracks in the left menu. Click on the track features for annotations and links. You can save these data as shown in previous examples. Thanks for watching this tutorial. And as always, don't hesitate to write with questions or suggestions for GrainGenes.